Welcome everybody to the hobby room. Here is a small trip that we had this weekend to this place called Helen in Georgia. So it's about a 1.5 hour drive from Atlanta, and here we are on our way to Helen. On our way, we definitely picked up some food and some coffee for the drive, and we arrived at Nakuchi Village Mall. This is a really quaint, cute, dreamy, antique mall, which is an antique store. As we get in, we see that this was established somewhere in 1876. This was basically the Martin House that's been refurbished into this really beautiful, dreamy, antique store. It's really very beautifully decorated with all kinds of fall things. Across from the store, you can definitely see beautiful view of the mountains, and there's a cute coffee store across the road as well if you want to visit it. And now we enter slowly into the store. There are beautiful wind chimes at the entrance. This is really a big antique store that I've seen in a while now. As we enter, we are greeted by really beautiful antique knives. There are antique, dolls. As you can see, these are really cute, pretty dolls of different eras. There are glass ceramics, from dolls to really cute showpieces. As we move, we can also see that there are some army medallions that have been restored over time, and like I said, some knives. It was beautiful to see like different kinds of knives, and then on the top there are vases. Again, oh my god, look at this doll. This is so cute. And different kinds of dolls, really, Russian dolls to American dolls to all kinds of collectible dolls that you can imagine getting. And then there's Elvis Presley. So rings, jewelry, a fair bit of jewelry. As you can see, dolls, again, really big, glass dolls. Onto this section, this is beautiful. Personally, I love visiting antique stores. I generally also like keeping something with me or buying something, but we were like short on time, so I did not get a chance to buy anything. But like you see, there are kitchen utensils. There are really small, cute skillets. I do not know if you can go ahead and use some of these, but you can definitely restore them or keep them as showpieces. Really nice, beautiful musical brands, posters, everything that you can imagine under the sun. And kitchen stuff, baskets. So yep, I'll let you see this as we go along. But this was a really beautiful antique store for anybody interested in going in. And I also wanted my viewers to see how antique stores in the US are like. So yep, that's the Nakuchi Village Mall. Back again, we are on the road, and this time we are that's my husband, and I'm being a little crazy, but yep, we are driving into Helen. So Nakuchi is a little bit behind, and this is Helen downtown. This is a really cute town. It's Bavarian styled, which means that it's German style, so you will see a lot of influence of German architecture in the area. So all the stores to the buildings to even the hotels that people can stay in here for the night have this cute German theme to them. Bergland, this is the entrance. This is really the downtown. There are lots of stores and shops and things that you can do. So we were really strolling around, trying to get a catch of the place, trying to get a flavor of this place. It was a lovely day, and there was a light breeze. So there are different kinds of stores. There are apparels, there are toys. There's a mini golf place that we wanted to try but did not get the time. But here we are, strolling across, going into some of the stores, trying to see what's going on. This is me saying hi, being weird. And fall is just getting in here, so it's really beautiful and lovely. So there are like really nice streets that you can take strolls on, picnic areas where you can really carry your food, relax a little while and smile. This is one of those places. I really love the look of this tree. It's just turned to a bright red already. So yeah, that's fall for you guys. As we strolled, there are really different kinds of stores, like I said, ice cream shops, apparel. With yeah, this is really a cute downtown that you can stroll across and enjoy any of those stores. There's a slot car racing place that I wanted my viewers to see. We just went inside and got a glimpse of what was going on. So here you see there are remote operated cars that kids can, or even adults can really like race with, and it's nice, it's interesting and beautiful to spend some time here. They also have biking rentals here if you want to get bikes and bike around the city at the time. The next place we went was a really interesting place called Big Willie's Wood Shop. I'm generally fascinated by this cute, eccentric, wood carving. Really cute shop. So you see some posters of Bigfoot, some wall hangings, really beautiful decor stuff. So yeah, I'll let you enjoy the store. So this is Bigfoot again. So there's a relation of Bigfoot, which is this giant Big Willie that we see. I'm not sure exactly what, but I saw a lot of like showpieces, magnets of Big Willie. So in this room they've got this really beautiful handcrafted quills, which are like comforters, if you may, which are made by a local lady. So that's stored there, and then the rest of the shop is woodwork. Lots of things with woodwork. There are chairs, there is stored wooden furniture. They build their own things, and it was a really interesting chat with the lady who owns the store, to find out that they actually have a wood carving facility or a wood workshop really at their own place, which is a little away from here. That is where they actually build these furniture, build these stuff, and then get it here. And they can also customize. So if you have something in mind and if you are here, you can basically ask them for it, show them the design, and they'll get it for you. I wanted to get some wooden magnets, but apparently she is it's a very newly opened shop, so she's still in the process of really creating those small souvenirs or magnets. But I did carry one of their cards because I really loved this place. So yeah, if you're into decor stuff or really anything wooden, would want to have an experience of that, do visit Big Willie's and get some souvenir and some furniture, small model furniture for yourself back. But it was lovely strolling around the store. The next place we went was Hensel Cradle Chocolate Factory, which is again something I had my eyes on right when I drove into downtown. So this is really the chocolate store or the candy store. This is really cute with wooden ceilings. It's a completely German styled store. They've got bubble gums, they've got all kinds of candies. They've actually got a customizable candy corner where you can order stuff or toppings and they'll make it up to your taste. These are some of the boxes. So they have got assorted boxes that you can buy directly from. I love specifically their flooring, which is so beautiful. That tiled flooring and the feel of the store itself was really, really exciting to me. All kinds of chocolates. So next what we did was basically they have different kinds of chocolates which you can assort for yourselves. They are basically I think $12 for $14. That's my husband walking into the store, but like I said, the store is beautiful. They've got different pictures of people who came in at different points in time. But yeah, finally we decided to get like about 12 truffles. So there are really different flavored truffles, and here we are basically ordering things that we need things that we wanted to get in that box, or all the truffles. So there are flavors
okay.
like tiramisu,
The rum truffle milk, right?
orange
That's what he said was-
truffle, banana truffle, pina
the dark
colada truffle,
Actually,
all
one dark
kinds of
one.
truffles that you can imagine.
Yeah.
And these are handmade at their store.
else?
You can assort themselves.
Which one was the
You
other
can
one?
assort
that you
them,
said
sorry,
you recommend?
and get it into your
No, she
box
did mention some recommendations.
and carry it for yourself, or you can also give friends. But it's very dreamy, cute store
throw in
named
one of
after
your
Hansel and
recommendations and
Gretel.
then-
For people who've read the story, I had always been fascinated by that story, and it was lovely to finally find a store where
Okay.
named
let's
after
get.
them.
Do you want this one?
Yep. There we are, getting ourselves some chocolates, and I'll let you
No, let's get one of the tiramisu truffles.
take a look,
one milk, one.
get some
And then
water on your lips,
yeah.
and go get some
Eight.
chocolate for yourself
Eight
from
is
the
ready.
fridge if you have some
One
already
orange
there.
truffle.
Can I get the white chocolate one? Yeah. And then one dark.
No. What is this one? Irish cream. We'll get one tiramisu. Actually, two.
There we are.
Let's get
She
one,
is
milk. One
the good thing is
and then
the folks in the store are maintaining the COVID guidelines. Everybody's masked. They're wearing masks, so very hygienic. Very nice way of dealing with customers, and there were less people, of course, in the store.
banana truffle. Never had that.
Also, one thing to mention here is that Helen is really gearing up to Oktoberfest,
In white.
which is a fall festival that's celebrated generally in Europe and Germany. I mean, in Europe, particularly in Germany and some of those countries, but Helen is getting ready for it. So there are more and more people who will be coming in the next month up until November, because there is a beautiful, and here are my chocolates, by the way. This is us looking happy, and as I was saying, there'll be more people coming in, and till then, this is the river for you guys, and there'll be a next part to this where we discuss how we spend the rest of the day and the evening. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please do like, share and subscribe.